In this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix the HDMI no signal error on your Samsung TV. If you find this guide helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. So if you're trying to connect one of your devices to your television via a HDMI cable, if you are getting this no signal message or you're getting some kind of error or it's just not connecting in general, then I'll show you exactly how to fix this. So the very first thing we need to do is just come round to the back of your television and you need to locate your HDMI port. So as you can see, I currently have one HDMI connection, which is this Now TV device here. And what you need to do is remove any HDMI cables that you currently have running to your television. So let me just go ahead and remove this connection here. And I'd recommend using a soft brush like a toothbrush to just get behind here and try and clean out your HDMI ports. Sometimes over time you can get dust and debris that kind of collect behind here. So it's just a good idea to make sure it's completely free from any of that. And then what you're going to do is use your thumb to press firmly on the HDMI ports. Now this may sound quite silly, but sometimes if you do have a loose port, then this can kind of help just adjust or tighten it up. So I'm just going to go ahead now with my thumb and press kind of firmly on each of these. And then once you've done that, we can try plugging the HDMI back into our television. Another good idea is if you do have a spare HDMI cable lying around, it's a good idea just try replacing the cable to rule out a faulty cable. And then finally, we're going to come back round to the front of the television, head over to your TV remote, and then come over to this source button at the top here. If you have a different model of television, this button might be located somewhere slightly different. And what you need to do is just make sure you're connected to the correct HDMI port. So my device in the back is connected to HDMI number 1. So I need to make sure on my television that I'm connecting to HDMI 1. And providing all of your cables are intact and all of your ports are free from any dust and debris, then the next thing we're going to do is head over to your television remote control, press the home button located in the middle here. This is going to bring up the Samsung home screen, and then we're going to scroll all the way across to the left and select settings. Alternatively, you can just get to this menu by pressing the settings button on your remote. Then we're going to scroll all the way down to support at the bottom here, come across to software update, and then press update now. Sometimes if you have an outdated television, this can cause issues with our HDMI connections. So just wait for this to get to 100% to make sure we are running the latest version. As you can see, my television's up to date, so we can press OK to get out of here. Then we're going to come back one window inside of support, come down to device care and select this. Give that a couple of seconds to load up, just wait 10 to 20 seconds. And then once you get to this device care page like so, what we need to do is just come down to self-diagnosis at the bottom here and press OK. Then we'll have a bunch of options that we can choose from. We're going to come over to HDMI troubleshooting and select this. And what this is going to do is it's going to perform a quick scan of your television and your HDMI ports just to ensure that everything's in order. So just select the HDMI port that you're trying to troubleshoot. So for me, it's going to be HDMI 1, press OK. And then you just need to follow the steps on the screen to try and diagnose any issues. If you have tried all of these steps and you're still getting some kind of connection issue, the last thing I'd recommend doing is performing a power cycle of your TV. So to do this, we just need to locate the power cable running from your television to your power supply, and we're going to unplug this from the main power supply. So it's important that you actually unplug this from the power and not just turn off your television. And once you've unplugged this, we're going to leave it unplugged for 15 seconds. Now, whilst this is unplugged, we're going to head over to the physical television and you're going to find the power button located on either the sides or underneath the TV. For my specific version of television, this is located directly under the Samsung logo. So I'm just going to go ahead and hold this button down for around about 15 seconds. Once you've waited 15 seconds, we can then head back over to the plug and reinsert it back into the power. And then once again, you can try checking your HDMI to see if that's now fixed the issue. And that's it, guys. Let me know in the comments if this did or didn't help. And hopefully by following all of these steps, that's now fixed any HDMI issues you were having.